Ever feel like writing marketing copy takes forever? You sit down to write emails, captions, and ads, and suddenly half the day is gone. Here is the shocking truth. According to CoSchedule, 60% of marketers say they spend more than 6 hours a week just creating content. That is almost a full workday lost every single week. But here's the twist. With one AI tool, you can write a full week of marketing copy in minutes. So how do you actually do it? First, let's define what marketing copy is. Marketing copy is any text designed to attract attention, build trust, and get people to take action, from social captions to sales emails. It matters because clear, persuasive copy is what drives clicks, leads, and sales in your business. Now let's go through 4 steps to create a full week of marketing copy with just one AI tool. Step 1. Start with your core message. Decide what offer, product, or idea you want to promote this week. For example, maybe it is a new online course or a seasonal discount. Having one clear focus keeps all your copy aligned. Step 2. Use AI to generate multiple formats. Take that one core message and turn it into different pieces of content. An email announcing your offer, a Facebook post sharing the story behind it, a tweet with a bold hook, and an Instagram caption with a call to action. This multiplies your content without multiplying your effort. Step 3. Customize for each platform. The same message should sound slightly different depending on where it goes. On Twitter, keep it punchy. On LinkedIn, add authority. On Instagram, make it relatable. AI tools can adapt your copy instantly to match the platform's style. Step 4. Automate the workflow. Instead of writing copy one piece at a time, generate your full week in one session. This gives you consistency, saves time, and frees you to focus on strategy instead of struggling with words every day. Now here is where AI Creator Max makes this effortless. AI Creator Max has 100+ premium templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails. All built on proven marketing psychology like ADA, PASS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and you're done. Helps you write content 10x faster. Try it free. Link below. Bonus pro tip. Repurpose your best performers. If one post gets more likes or clicks, turn it into an email, a reel, or even an ad. This way, your best ideas keep working harder for you. Here's the big takeaway. You don't need to spend endless hours creating copy. With the right AI tool, you can plan, write, and schedule a full week of marketing content in one sitting. This video is part of a playlist that shows you step by step how to use AI to scale your business with less effort. Keep watching to learn even more shortcuts you can stack together. If this helped, hit like so more people can find it, subscribe so you never miss the next lesson, and comment with what type of copy takes you the longest to write. And when you are ready to create a week of marketing copy in minutes, go to AICreatorMax.com and start writing smarter today.